Welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian, and I am delighted to be able to do this video for you. And the topic of this video comes from a coaching session that I had just a few days ago. And someone reached out to me not to try to get their ex back, but to just get perspective on what they were going through and basically to try to confirm what they already knew. And this person sent me an email after our coaching session telling me, I doubt that my ex will come back. This is after we talked, after I provided this young lady with a game plan. She just was really doubting that it was possible for her to get back with the person that she loves. And the truth of the matter is that I understand. I understand why a lot of people are skeptical, because we have to deal with a lot of negativity and skepticism in this day and age. You are thinking about all of the mistakes that you've made throughout the process. You're thinking about the negative things that your ex may have said to you towards the end of the relationship, at the time of the breakup, or afterwards. You're thinking about the begging and the pleading and the needy behavior that you may have conveyed and showcased. You're looking at the fact that your ex is acting like a person that you don't even recognize. You're looking at the fact that your friends and your family are telling you that it's better to just let go and to move on. And so, in light of all of that, you're thinking, why is this crazy Coach Adrian being so hopeful and so optimistic about my chances of making things right after everything that I've gone through? And why am I so hopeful? I am hopeful because I see people like you each and every day turn a very bad breakup and situation into a positive catalyst for personal growth and personal transformation that then results in a new and improved relationship. I'm hopeful because I've seen so many people succeed in their breakup recovery journey. And I'm hopeful because I am fueled by what I see on a day-to-day basis. So don't let yourself get sucked into the negativity. It's not going to happen for you if you're looking at all the obstacles and all the reasons why this breakup recovery won't end the way that you want it to. However, it doesn't have to be that way. You can choose to see the positive traits and elements that have come out of this breakup or separation. You're probably going through the toughest period of your life, but as a result, you've been able to truly understand some of your negative behaviors, some of your mistakes. I know that you've already started to bring yourself to account. And I know that there are a lot of things, a lot of negative behaviors that you will never, ever, ever do again in the future because it's too painful, because you've learned from your mistakes. And so my role as a coach is to help you get out of this negative bubble because you're in a false reality. You're in a reality where you think that you won't ever be able to be happy without your significant other. You are in a reality where you feel like all hope is lost and that your life has no meaning anymore because of what you've lost. And together, our job is to redefine you, to create a new identity that will in turn completely change the way that your ex or your significant other sees you and feels about you. And I'm not talking about any quick fix magical solutions here. I'm talking about hard work. I'm talking about a smart approach to turning a bad situation into an opportunity to transform your life and your relationship in the process. So yes, I may be the most hopeful person that you've ever seen or met, and there's a good reason for that. It's because I see results. I see people just like you who are able to turn a bad situation into something positive and create a new and improved relationship with the person that they love. So I hope that my positivity and my hope will fuel your fire, just like your positive messages and love fuel ours. And that's why I believe there's a special connection between Love Advice TV, our coaches, and what we do, and people all around the world who are going through the toughest time of their lives and find inspiration, trust, and a vision to get to where they want to be. So I hope that this message of hope will change your perspective, just like it changed the perspective of this young lady that I had to kind of give a little pep talk again after our coaching session, by email, because it's important. Mindset is everything in this process, and I need to make sure that you're in the right mindset as you embark on this journey. Otherwise, you won't be able to get there. We won't be able to get there. Again, I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me your thoughts, your comments in the comment section below, and rest assured that we shall see each other very soon, yet again on Love Advice TV for another video. Take good care. See you soon. Keep fighting the good fight.